My name is Michael, and I am the host of NDO Crochet. I want to welcome you to this premiere of Ruby's Dream. Now, June starts the awareness month for Alzheimer's and dementia. In April of 2023, at the age of 72, my mother was diagnosed with early stages of dementia. By June 1st of 2024, at the age of 73, she passed away due to complications of dementia. I want to honor my mother the best way I know how, and that is creating something in her honor and in her memory. I chose diamonds for this pattern because my mother was the strongest rock that I knew. She was the shiniest stone in the bunch. And this reminds me so much of her that I have to do it. This pattern will be available in a video tutorial as well as a written pattern that'll have both written as well as diagram if you are into the diagrams. The written pattern will be available on the Etsy store, which is linked in the description box of this premiere as well as the description box of the video tutorial and on my About page. For the entire month of June, all proceeds minus the Etsy store fees for the written pattern will be donated to Dementia Society of America. And the reason why I chose the Dementia Society of America is because they are a 100% volunteer-based organization whose goal is to teach, educate, and provide resources for families who are going through dementia. Dementia does not only affect the patient, it affects the family, it affects the friends, it affects neighbors, it even affects caregivers. So please allow me to debut to all of you Ruby's Dream. that we have seen Ruby's dream, the video tutorial will come out as soon as this premiere ends, and the written pattern will go up on the Etsy store, which again is linked in this description box, the description box of the video tutorial, and on my About page. And to reiterate, the proceeds for the entire month of June for the written pattern, minus Etsy store fees, will go to the Dementia Society of America. So I want to thank you for tuning in for this premiere and allowing me to honor my mother this way, and allowing me to help bring more awareness to dementia. I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And with all that said, I want to say what I always say at every end of every video. Keep stitching.